Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I package my Foamiran flowers. If you haven't seen my Foamiran flowers video, don't worry, I'll leave the link below in the description box so you can check it out later. So here I have a piece of paper and what I did was I punched some holes on the sides, added an elastic cord, and that's where the flowers were going to be attached to. Remember, these flowers go onto the T-ends. I'm really into the T-ends right now and I'm enjoying making them. I'm going to use a plastic sleeve, a Celebrated brand I bought at Michael's. And the paper pad, I also bought that at Michael's. I picked the color that complemented best the flowers. This flower packaging is going to KSP by Louisa. She has a challenge going on and I'm super excited. I can't wait for her to get it. I've never done this before. I've never done Happy Mail. I've never done packaging. And have never even done a challenge, so this is like a whole new world for me and I absolutely love it because it's another creative outlet for me, so it's perfect. So I'm gonna add a doily to this packaging and I'm just gonna glue it. So once I put my flowers in the plastic sleeve, I'm going to secure it with some tape. At the end, I'm going to add some washi tape and you'll see that as well. I'm also going to add some ribbon. Since the paper itself already had a hole on it, I decided to punch an additional hole onto the doily and onto the plastic sleeve. So I chose this purple satin ribbon because I felt it gave it a complete contrast to the turquoise doily and it just looks so beautiful. I love the way you could add an extra embellishment to your packaging, and I'm going to leave it pretty much at that. I feel like sometimes less is more, and again, this is my first packaging and entry and challenge, so I said, okay, we'll start small, and then I'll work my way up. So I did cut the edge of the ribbon and with a ladder I burned the edges so it won't continue to fray. I'm going to add the washi tape like I mentioned earlier and the package is pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed this video and please give it a like or comment below. Tell me what you think. Have you ever been part of a challenge? I would love to hear from you. Also, if you want to check out Louisa's work, I will leave her channel link below in the description box. So thanks for spending your time with me. Until next time, and don't forget you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and also you can visit my Etsy shop. Thanks a lot and have a great day. God bless. Bye bye.